Hello rookies! Welcome back to my channel. And today, together with me is Jazz. We will be doing an unboxing. And guess what it is? Yan. So...
Yes. Let's
Charan! Yeah. So today...
Actually, nasa ano na yun eh.
Ano ba?
Nasa title na yun eh.
Okay. So today, mag-unbox kami ng Young Living. Actually, last year pa namin ito pinurchase. But ngayon lang namin siya bubuksan para New Year and new vlog. Okay, so let's find what's inside. So yan guys, so bubuksan namin yung box. And shoutout sa aming vlogger friend na si all about Lorena. So thank you for recommending this. And you know, if you want to follow her, just subscribe to her channel so you can see her adventures. And she also cooks, no? She's a good baker. So follow her.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, actually my backstory, my history why I decided to purchase this. Kasi nga yun, actually for the past few months, actually it started late October. I had maybe I can say worst asthma attack, no? So I know this is not really the medical or yung solution, di ba? Hindi siya.
Yes.
But I think this will help me, hopefully, sa aking breathing problems. So, okay, that's okay.
Actually, before, the other day, try siyang isang peppermint, isang oil, doon sa Young Living na to, together with the tea. So, yung time na yun, kumaan pa kami naman. Kaya, dadalawang isip pa kami actually nung una kasi it's really pricey. Pero, since umaatake na yung asthma niya, medyo lumalala na, we decided to actually give it a try. And, sana mag-work. Pero syempre, iba pa rin yung magpa-check up pa rin siya soon. Maybe when we're going to have a vacation in the Philippines.
Asthma, wala naman talagang cure. So, puro na lang siya. Band-aid solution. So, yun, inhaler, how to relieve breathing. Yan. So,
Safe na. All about using essential oils. Basahin natin pero magbuka tayo na tayo.
Getting started now. Getting started with essential oils.
Kapila tayo ito nga yung diffuser.
So una, meron diffuser. Lahat ata ng starter pack.
May manual siya. Siyempre hindi tayo nagbabasa ng manual, di ba? Daming kayo. Kaya ang gagawin
Hindi nagbabasa. Ako din hindi.
Feeling ko ba? Kala ko naman. Ayan to.
So we have the diffuser. Yan.
Tapos,
Para siyang teardrop.
ito yung umiilaw. Raindrop din.
Raindrop. Ako nga pala. Teardrop.
Tapos may mali pa siya na baka sa loob. Saksakan niya.
Plug. Yan. Meron siyang... So ano siya? Powered by electricity. And yes, I think ito na yung mga oils.
Finally. Kasi napapanood ko yung mga vlogs about this. And parang sarap ng buksan talaga.
Ito na yun. Ito na yun guys.
Kaya na, pati bang?
Klase ng oil.
Ang bango. Parang naamoy ko na nga siya ngayon.
So meron siyang 10 oils, small bottles. Ito daw yung sa part ng starter pack.
Ito yung sinasabi ko peppermint na tinry namin for him.
Actually, ano yun, peppermint and lemon yun, dalawa siya. Along with the tea, green tea, so maganda siya yung naging effect for me. So ito, nandito yung mga list. Yan, mga oils. So yan, parang overview of what these oils can do. Yung mga possible health benefits. So yan, meron tayong stress away. Saan yung stress away? Ay, wala. Kasya dito.
Let's start muna natin sa peppermint.
Peppermint. Ano ba yung peppermint?
Ayun, paano to? Peppermint,
Vitality. Peppermint vitality, sabi dyan. Yan, has a fresh, minty taste and supports digestion
Gusto na amoy.
when taken as a dietary supplement. Yan.
And then the next is purification. Makikita niyo naman isa isang picture niya. At vlogger style. Yes, purification.
Para saan naman yan?
Wala kang purification dyan. Hindi po kami talaga ready.
So, for uses, yan. For aromatically, pwede siyang topically, pampahid-pahid sa kung ano naman. And then, pwede rin siyang dietary. Ihalam niyo sa mga, sa mga inumin, yan, sa drinks. Yan, pwede rin siya, yan, dilute. Yan. So, yan.
Dilute siya sa water.
Or other oils.
Other oils.
Yeah. Meron din tayong lavender. Ito, good for mga skin, if you have skin problems, yan, so ihalo lang siya sa other oils. And then, maybe daw for a few months, you can see result.
Okay, kasi may legends siya dito, di ba? Like aroma, topical, dietary, and dilute. Sobrang ano pala nito, useful to. Malalaman mo kung paano mo siya magagamit. For aroma, pwedeng sa skin, or pang diet. Galing. May legend siya. Ayan, I will post it on the screen. Galing mo, no? Stress away, aroma, and dilute, and topical. Galing nga.
Ayaw niya magbatang. Kanina ko tinatanggalan.
Siya nga kasi natatangi.
Iba yung cup niya.
Parang ano?
Yeah. So, meron pa tayong extra. May 2 oils pa tayong extra. Meron pang
oils.
May natatago pa.
Sa gitna na lang daw siya kasi siya yung star dance.
Hindi ata kita ulit dito.
Mints, naturally siya yung leaves. Ang galing. 30 minutes.
Yan, so may free din, free 2 oil. Galing eh. So total 12, no? 12 small bottle. What more do we have on the box?
Marami silang mga medicines. Yan.
Yan.
Marami pang malalaman.
About
how are you gonna use it?
How to use essential oils, sabi dito. And I think yung starter kit, depende siya sa location, no? Kung ano yung mga include. Yun yung kwento sa akin ni Lorena. So,
yung narinig ko, yung frankincense. Yun yung pinakamahal sa lahat. But, syempre, pinakamahal sa sabi, pinaka-effective. Young Living, just follow Facebook page.
Kala ko ano ka na din, yung basa na. Just check the official website.
Interesting siya, sobra.
Actually, ito yun. So if you wanna know more about Young Living, you can follow their Instagram page, Facebook page, Twitter. Yeah. Young Living, yun lang. Madali lang siyang hanapin.
That's it. We're gonna try the diffuser later.
Yep, we will try and we will use it. Finally, so yan, wala na. Tapos na, no? So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for staying with us and for watching this unboxing video. Please do, keep supporting me on my channel. That's Noy Fitness, and you can also visit Jess' YouTube channel, Jess Pagarigan.
Hindi ko siya na-update, but please watch my old videos.
So she also posts travel videos.
I'll post
and I think, gaganahin ko din siya soon sa travel videos. If pwede na ulit mag-travel, pag wala ng COVID. Hopefully. So yeah, that's it. So again, thank you so much, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye.